My name's Lonnie Gould, and I'm here with the Gestalt Institute of Riga to tell you a little bit about the English classes we're going to be offering you in Riga over the next period of time. I work with a method called Suggestopedia, which makes it possible for people to advance 3 times as fast as any other way. How do we do it? Well, we create a very, very safe environment where people are extremely stimulated. We have a multi-sensory approach, so we're working not only through visual methods, but also through auditory channels, and it's very, very kinesthetic. You're going to be in movement all of the time. It's extremely dynamic. Let me tell you a little bit about it. All of the lessons take the form of plays, and you will be one of the characters in the play. So in other words, if you have negative associations with English or with school, these will not come into play at all because you're somebody completely different now. We're going to be using music, classical music, in order to present the lessons, and this creates a link between your emotions and the information. This is what will give you access to long-term memory. You will never forget any of the things that we do here because it's been planned such that you only see things through the corner of your eye, and that is what sends the information to your long-term memory. We will be giving you a lot of information about the language, but not school-like information. You'll be looking at every word as if it were a human being. You'll be discovering its genetic code. It'll be something quite exciting and very different from anything you've done before. And the rest of the time, games, games, and games. Ball games to get you speaking more quickly and to get your brain working and limber it up. Card games to let you see structure in a visual way. Geographic games, different parts of the classroom are going to represent different concepts and different forms of sensitivity. Last part of every day, it'll be music again, but this time Baroque music to change the configuration of your brain waves. In other words, instead of being productive at between 18 and 23 hertz, you'll be receptive, because we're going to bring your brain activity down, slowing it down through Baroque music, the way churches have done for centuries and centuries, and this will make it possible for you to assimilate material about 3 times as fast. What is the fundamental philosophy behind this? It's a profoundly humanistic one. It's one which is designed to get you to surprise yourself by how much you can do. We basically give you 120% of what you generally can do. You'll be extremely surprised, but there won't be any interference. You'll be in what we call a flow state. And in this flow state, the information just comes in and stays there. I've been doing this for 35 years now, and the reason I've been doing this for 35 years is because there is nothing as exciting as having people who have got negative self-esteem and a lack of confidence, and transforming them in the space of 5 days so that they actually not only surprise themselves but surprise everyone else around them by what they've been able to do. And after an experience like this, they generally speaking have to redefine who they are. My motto, if I had to sum everything up in one sentence, is when the teacher really looks after the learners, the learning looks after itself. So contact the Gestalt Institute here in Riga, find out when the next course is taking place, and I will be delighted to do a course that you're in, and to share this adventure with you. Hope to hear from you. Thanks very much for your time.